Well, I mean, it's pretty much what I said at the beginning. I mean, prime, it's really prime, it's easy, but at low LTVs. You mentioned development, we didn't talk about development. Development financing is almost virtually non-existing. That's very difficult. If you have non-prime, but you are a good client to a bank, you probably can still get the financing. But if there's a rollover date of interest at another interest price and at a lower LTV, but as I said, if you're new into the market, they don't know you and you're not in prime, simply forget about it.
No, we're not doing development financing, but construction finance, and there's a slight difference there, especially if there is, let's say, a bolt-on construction. So you have a shopping center and there's an extension there. The cash flows from the shopping center support during the construction, the debt service of the construction loan. That's not something that we shy away from. And again, I think it's to be seen with the right people, right clients. If I look at our European book, which is consisting of loans that are made out of various countries, we're staying put in the southern markets, we're I think slightly decreasing in the Netherlands. We are increasing in Germany, and we are increasing in Poland. And I'd just like to address Germany for a second, because again, back to basics, with the ING DiBa, which is quite a formidable savings bank here in Germany, we've been able to deploy much more liquidity for this market. And as we will stay around 30 billion as our global book for real estate finance, there's some markets that will decrease, but certainly our German market will be an increase because of that availability of funding, because of the market attractions. And that's, I think, the long answer to your short question.
Okay. And do you think development financing is just very difficult to access anywhere in Europe from any banks, or are?
No, I think you need to. It's more of a local play these days. It's more of a local play, and forget about the big developments. Forget about the big developments. I think you will find. I know a number, even in Holland. I know a number of institutions, but you can discuss this again on the basis of your relationship, and if you come to ING, preferably or solely on the basis of existing cash flows as an add-on, not as a clean greenfield.